It's a great honor to be included among the authors that are being recognized as part of the exciting 50th anniversary of the American Journal of Sports Medicine. I'd like to thank the editorial board in general, and in particular, Professor Bellangero for reaching out. In 1986, we published an article looking at contact areas and contact stresses after meniscectomy and meniscus repair. The idea for this was 100% Dr. Freddie Foos, my mentor and friend. He had the idea to look at these different scenarios using a material called Prescale, which was a pressure-sensitive film made by Fuji Corporation. And he gave me the job of trying to figure out how to get it into the joint with minimal disruption to the knee joint, and the job of trying to make these measurements. And I got a tremendous amount of assistance from Professor Tom Brown and Jim Reuter, two wonderful bioengineers. I also got help from another medical student. I was in my 4th year of medical student school at the time, Rich Mengato. And so we fashioned these pieces of Prescale in the shape of the tibial plateau. We figured out how to wrap it in cellophane so it would be waterproof, and did these studies. And it was, for me, a wonderful introduction to science. It wasn't my first article, but it was certainly the article that got the most recognition. And but we had a good time, and we measured these contact areas and pressures, put the article together, and it led to a second article where we looked at both open and arthroscopic meniscectomy as well as segmental meniscectomy. So it certainly got my research career in orthopedics off and running, and I've been fortunate to have a successful career in that arena going forward. In terms of Prescale in general, it is something that was very easy to use, and it did end up used in a number of other orthopedic applications. Its limitation is that it wrinkles. So if you have a surface that is too convex or concave, it doesn't perform as well. But again, congratulations so much to all those people that have contributed to the American Journal of Sports Medicine over these many years. It has been a beacon, a guiding light for orthopedic surgeons to improve the care that they can offer their patients. And thanks for including me.